Yes, student, today we're going to learn understanding quadrilateral. So let us take the exercise 3.2. First question is find x in the following figure. So here is the figure. Let us see what is the figure. This is the figure of a triangle and each side is produced to form exterior angle. The measure of first is x degree, then 125 degree, and the third one is also equal to 125 degree. In this figure we have to find the value of x. One more part, b part is there. Here let us see the figure. We have 3 lines, 4 lines and 5 lines. So it is pentagon. Here also each side is extended. So one angle is 60 degree. This is perpendicular. This is 90 degree of angle. This is 70 degree and this angle is x degree. So we have to find the value of x. And here the interior angle is given. Exterior angle we have to identify because line is not produced. So let us find the answer. Number A part. Since sum of exterior angle of any polygon is equal to 360 degree. So we can say thus x degree, when we add all the three angle, x degree plus 125 degree plus 125 degree, the sum is equal to 360 degree. So we're going to do the calculation over here. So this will give x degree plus addition of both 125 will give 250 degree equal to, on the right hand side we have 360 degree. Now we have to transpose 250 to the another side. So it will give x degree equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree. Subtracting both of them we get the value 110 degree. So in the first figure we get the value of x equal to 110 degree. In the second figure also we are going to use the relation property sum of exterior angle of polygon is 360 degree. So using this we'll get x degree is equal to 360 degree minus, we're going to find the sum of all the angles. Their sum equal to 310 degree. So subtracting both we get 50 degree. So in the second figure we get the value of x equal to 50. Second question, find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of number first part 9 side and 15 side. Second part. Let us find the answer. For finding the exterior angle, let us take exterior angle of regular polygon. This will be equal to sum of exterior angles, which is equal to 360 degree. We have done it in the question number first, and this we have to divide by number of sides. So here sum of exterior angle is 360 degree. It is to be divided by number of sides. In the first case we have number of sides 9. When we're going to divide it, it will give 9 4 36 and 0 40 degree. The same process we have to use in the second part. Exterior angle of regular polygon is equal to sum of exterior angles divided by number of sides. So here also we're going to put the value 360 degree in place of sum of exterior angle. This is to be divided by 15, and when it is divided by 15 we get the value 25 degree. Thank you.